Hello friends, in this video we are going to study the coefficients, types of coefficients for the drag. So let's move on to the video. When we are talk about the term drag means resisting force when a particular fluid is coming in contact with the rigid boundary. That may be a plate, that may be a spherical surface. So von Karman equation gives us the calculation for drag forces, but there exist some differences in real results with the theoretical one. So for that purpose, the term coefficient is been introduced. So let us see coefficient of drag. There are total two terms in which coefficient drag can be defined. First is local coefficient of drag. This can be called as skin friction. We all know that if this is a plate, so this skin is having some roughness over the surface. So for that purpose, due to which resistance is being generated. So due to which this term coefficient of drag, local coefficient of drag is introduced. So before studying this coefficient of drag, we should know that dynamic pressure head which is acting on the plate is nothing but the 1/2 rho into u square. The term 1/2 rho into u square in von Karman equation is nothing but the dynamic pressure head. So local coefficient of drag is denoted by symbol CD star, which is equal to this shear stress tau naught upon this dynamic pressure head, that is 1/2 rho into u square, where rho is nothing but the density, tau naught is nothing but the shear stress on plate, and u is nothing but the flow velocity. Flow velocity at boundary layer or outside the boundary layer. The second term is average coefficient of drag. This is denoted by symbol CD. This is the ratio of total drag force to quantity 1/2 rho u square into A. Now I am talking about ratio of forces, not ratio of stresses. Initially this was the ratio of stresses. This is also stress, this is also stress. Pressure and stress are having equivalent quantities. So this is also one of the form of stress and this is also stress. Now I am talking about the actual forces which are acting in reality. So quantity 1/2 rho u square, this is the part of pressure multiplied by this area, the area under contact. Okay, so we can have quantity 1/2 rho s, that is equal to this FD drag force upon 1/2 rho u square into A. This FD is nothing but the drag force, this A is nothing but the area of plate in contact with fluid. This is very important, in contact with fluid. The area on which these stresses are going to be occur is called as area in contact. So there are two differences, CD star is related with stresses ratio, and CD, coefficient of drag, is nothing but the forces ratio. That's all. Thank you.